So working this value out, we know that the arc cos of -9/13, that's going to work out to 2.69 approximately. So we get 2.69, and that's equal to theta 1. So the time when we work this out works out to be 0.299. So I'm going to round that to 30. So if we take a look at the graph here, that looks like definitely is at 0.30. Okay, so that's the time at which it first is under 6 meters. We need to then find T2, and T2 is going to be based on theta 2. So theta 2, I'm just going to change colors here. We're going to end up here. Oh, so not that one. We're going to use this expression here to work out theta 2. So we need worked out theta 1 is equal to 2. I'm just going to rewrite this. So theta 1 was equal to, we wrote it this way, 2 pi over 0.7 t. Theta 1 was equal to 2.69. So theta 2 is going to be 2 pi. So 2 pi minus theta 1, which is 2.69. And so we get a value for theta 2 of 2 pi minus theta 1. We get 3.59 approximately. So this is going to be equal to theta 2. Just going to give myself a little bit of room here to work. So 2 pi over 0.7 t. That's going to be equal to 3.59. And then solving for T2, we times that by 0.7 and divide by 2 pi. And we end up with a time of 0.40. Okay, so this is our theta 2 is 3.59. So we use that to find T2, and that's equal to 0.40. So it is below 6 meters between those 2 points. So the change in time where we find those underneath below 6 meters is going to be 0.1 seconds. Is it seconds or minutes? I forget. It's minutes. Okay, so that's the answer to part E of this problem. The last one is determine the height if the point is the point of the wheel at 1 hour and 12 minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to convert that to minutes. So that's going to be 72 minutes. So then we want to find the height when we plug in 72 minutes into that equation. So we're going to plug that into the equation 13 cosine 2 pi over 0.7 times 72 minutes plus 15, and that's really we just plug that all into our calculator. 2 pi divided by 0.7 times 72 minutes, and then plus 15, and we get a value of the height is going to be 23.11 meters. Okay, that's going to be way down the line because here if you take a look at our scale, we've only got from 1 minute, 0 minutes to 2 minutes, and we have to go all the way to 72 minutes. So it's gone through many cycles before we get to that point.